Hello my brothers and sisters, what's up? Today we'll make this gradient animated button.
In HTML we start with our call to action button, and in CSS we start with our default resets and centering our button here, and we give our button all unset to get rid of our default styling like border, background, etc. And we add its typing styling and its linear gradient background, as you see here, and some padding and border radius and cursor pointer and position relative to be a reference for its before and after shadows. Here is its before. It has 100% width and height of our button, and its position is 100% left of button. It has opposite linear gradient background of our button. As you see here, and we move to JavaScript. First we declare our button, and on mouse enter, execute enter button function. In this function, add to button enter one class. This class change button background, and move its before to left 0 with 0.5 second transition, and this make our hover animation without forgetting to add similar border radius to button before. But we don't want our before to overlap button text, so we include this text in span, and we add to this span position relative and z index 1, and here we go. And we have after. It has the same properties as before, just two different in its left 100%, and it has opposite linear gradient background. And let's make our code a little bit cleaner. As you see here, and here we go. And when we leave our button, add when mouse leave, add enter to class. This class is to make the opposite of the hover animation, so we return button its original background. And we need to remove and there we go. Now we need to remove enter1 and 2 class when we leave our button, so we can add this class every time we hover on button, so we get our animation. Last but not least, we add overflow hidden because we don't need to see what happens outside outside of our button. And for clean JS code, we do this as a separate function.